Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to link Coinbase to Credit Karma. First, you'll want to open your Credit Karma account, either through their website or the mobile application. Once logged in, look for the section that allows you to manage your financial accounts, often labeled Net Worth or simply Accounts. From there, you'll need to select the option to add a new account. A search bar will appear. Type Coinbase into it to find the cryptocurrency exchange. After finding Coinbase in the search results, click on it to initiate the connection. Credit Karma will then securely redirect you to the official Coinbase login page. This step is crucial for maintaining the security of your financial information. On the Coinbase page, you will need to enter your registered username and password. This action grants Credit Karma permission to view your account balances, but not to make any transactions. Once you've entered your login details, Coinbase may prompt you for two-factor authentication, such as a code from an authenticator app or a text message. Always complete these steps for enhanced security. Before finalizing, carefully review the specific permissions Credit Karma is requesting. Typically, this involves viewing your balances and transaction history. After confirming, your Coinbase account will begin syncing, and its data will appear in Credit Karma within a few moments. Linking your Coinbase account to Credit Karma offers several advantages. You can now see your cryptocurrency holdings integrated with your traditional bank accounts and credit cards, providing a holistic view of your financial health. This makes it much easier to monitor your overall net worth and track the performance of your crypto investments. If you encounter any difficulties, a common solution is to simply try relinking the account. If problems persist, reach out to Credit Karma's support team for assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.